Good morning, students, and welcome back to the SST class. As you know, in the last class, I had taught you the fourth chapter, gender sensitivity. In that chapter, we could learn about the gender sensitivity, which depend upon both men and women. Then we learn the gender sensitivity at play or sports. And there are two best example you can see on the screen. Two names I want to brought. One is Mithali Raj and another one is Geeta Fogart. So Mithali Raj, who was the captain of Indian women cricket team, and Geeta Fogart, who is a wrestler, an Indian wrestler who brought the gold medal in Commonwealth Games in 2010. And some of the games are there were like hopscotch and langdi tang. These two games are played by both men and women. And also we learned there should not any kind of discrimination and any kind of partiality regarding the gender. And there is a best example you can see, that lawn tennis. The lawn tennis is played by both men and women together. Okay, now our next topic is gender sensitivity at work. Okay, the students are requested, those who have SST book, please open with me page number 25. Students are requested to open their book page number 25. Look at here. In the first paragraph, if you read this one, here to here, so you can see there is a best example given by Kiran Bedi. You know who was Kiran Bedi? He was the IPS officer, Indian Police Service, and he worked for 35 years. He worked for 35 years and he took voluntary retirement. So this is showing that the lady also can work and they can reach the top of the level in many fields like traveling, banking, politics, etc. Okay. Then another one example, Mamata Banerjee and Chandra Kochar. You know Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And this lady, they challenged in the field of politics to the men. They can challenge the men. In other hand, if you like to see the Rohit Bal and Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, okay, they are typically working the feminine work and they become successful. Sanjeev Kapoor, you know, a great chef, and he defeated as compared to the woman, and he became the Indian great chef. Then next, then last paragraph. If you see the last paragraph, if you look at here, you can see the overlook of this chapter. This paragraph is showing the overlook of this chapter, the conclusion. Even the men and women, both of them could realize, and they realized and they thought there should not be any partiality. Even the men cannot dominate the field of art or field of play or field of work, even women also. They both challenge each other. Men's challenge to women and women challenge to men, and both are equal according to their ability or according to their ability and power. Both the men and women are equal. At workplace, both should be respect for each other. Men should not underestimate or discriminate the women, and women also should not underestimate the men. A proper, safe and secure atmosphere should be provided to women at work by the employers. Sometimes it happen. There is one more example I want to give. If you visit our CHB hospital, you can see there are many employees, doctor, nurse, staff, cleaner. Two type of person were there, men and women. Some of the doctors are male and some of the doctors are female. Like that, some of the nurses are male and female. So we can see there is no discrimination between male and female. There should be written a proper, safe and secure atmosphere should be given to the both of them, men and women. And the male should ensure that the female should not be harassed. The female should not be harassed. That means there should be a equal respect to the man and woman. Okay. The students, I think this much is enough for you. In the next video, we will discuss the question answer. Students, stay safe, stay healthy. May God bless you. Thank you.